Hey, what's up everybody? It's Rafe West. So much damn sun that I don't know if this is recording. Hopefully it is. I want to show you. I'm over here in NYC. More for rent signs. This is Terraza Restaurant Lounge, second floor. I don't know if they ever opened. It doesn't seem so, because there's nothing going on here, and it's for rent already. Closed, yet still this virus, even when you go to places you haven't been to in a while, this virus has really done a number. This Rona has done a number on stuff. Here's an outdoor service. As you can see, only one person, that's it, over here. Wonder if they need company. Just one person, no one else out here. Is dead. This is Coney Island. Is closed. Usually it'd be pumping right now, full force, but it is not. We're coming to the only thing pumping, IHOP. Here's more. Big sale, 80% off moving space. It's a furniture store. I've been here back in the day, and now it is done deal.
Everywhere you look, the doors are opening. Our communities are moving.
Antique place.
And that place has always been here to make sure your ride is ready to travel.
Usually this would be full force. There's a development site for sale. I'd like that as a warehouse. Warehouse potential, huh? That'd be cool. Up there, it could be a warehouse. But yeah. IHOP, nothing going on, not too much. Pickup and delivery. I just came from DMV. It was not too bad. They had you all outside waiting. You had to make a reservation. I still waited over an hour, but it wasn't all that bad overall. And that's about it, folks. Just giving you guys a clear shot at just a lot of for lease, for sale, a lot of stuff. Here's another place closed, grill place, shut down. This is Coney Island, shut down, folks. The Bumper Eldorado Auto Scooter. The only thing open is Nathan's. Famous Nathan's from Coney Island is open. Here's more. Used to be, I think, an Applebee's here. This is also gone by the wayside. Another thing up there, another sign. I mean, damn.
You didn't want to see the girl was hungry. I wanted to.
A lot of stuff. Yeah. So, yeah, folks. A lot of stuff. That's about it. Some places are open. That it's Sugar's place on the corner. I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of a peek. Not all places are open, and a lot of for lease signs. So that is a sign of the times. All right, this is Rafe West, just giving you guys a peek at Coney Island, Stillwell Avenue. It's the last stop. It's as south you can go in NYC. All right, guys, so that's it. I'll leave you guys for another time. Figure out what else is happening here, as your boy Rafe West has to get on out of here. All right, I'll let you go for now, guys. It's done a number everywhere. Just seen all the closures here and signs, so you let me know what you guys think that means. All right, until next time, this is Rafe West. Peace.